Welcome friends. In today's lecture, we will create some card panes in Power BI, and it's very interesting and very simple to do this. So I'm selecting another sheets. Okay. So here, first of all, I will select a card pane in this way. This is cards. Go there, and here let's see. I want subcategory. Okay. My just select that subcategory here and in this way. Now I want to select a category and subcategory according to what top sales, that is according to sales or profit or according to quantity. So I'm selecting this. Let's see these accessories. Go to fields and here select here filter pane. Okay, filter pane, and select here accessories. You will observe that there are three filters, that filters on these visuals, next one is filters on this page, and third one is filter on all pages. So first we are dealing with filters on this visual in this video. Okay, so I am again selecting a subcategory here, add data fields here. Okay, selecting this, it means I want to find out a subcategory based on sales or profit or quantity that we ordered. Okay, so we want to filter, that is there are three types of filter, that is advanced filtering, basic filtering, and top n. Top n means any number. Okay, so I want a subcategory that is n. So let's say it is only one. I want only top one subcategory. Okay, according to what? According to by value. Which value I want? According to what? Sales. Okay, so let's say it is a sales. I have selected sum of sales. It means I want to find out a subcategory that is top one subcategory according to what? Sum of sales. Okay, so here sum of sales, you can select average, minimum, maximum, whatever it may be, but here I am selecting sum of sales. And last one is apply filter. Okay, simple. Here that phone is a subcategory that we are getting. Now select another card. Here I am taking in this way. Now same procedure, go to filter, add data files here, fields on this. So I am selecting what? Field subcategory here. Again I am selecting subcategory to the this add data fields here. Okay, next one is I want to filter this subcategory, that is top n, but here top n means one. I am taking one only. I want only one subcategory, but which value? Previously we have selected it based on what? Sum of sales. Right now by value here we select based on the profit. Okay, so we are selecting based on the profit. Now again selecting apply filter, but we are discussing it again. It is a subcategory we want to find out. We want to find out a top one subcategory based on profit, sum of profit. Okay, apply filter. Now the copiers is a subcategory which is what? Profitable, top one subcategory according to what? Profit. Let's select another card. This is the third and last card that we have to select. Take it as a subcategory here. Select this. Again select subcategory, add data fields here. Now I want to find out top one subcategory according to what? According to quantity. Okay, according to quantity. Let's top n, but what? Not sales, not profit, but right now we want the top one subcategory according to what? Quantity. So go here and select by value, add data fields here, that is sum of quantity. Okay, now okay, I am selecting it again top one. I want top one subcategory. Go here and select sum of quantity, and in this section we are using which? On the basis of quantity. Okay, previously it was profit and previous it was on the sales. So top one, I want top one, apply filter. Okay, now it's binders, top subcategory is binders. Now it is not properly aligned, not properly bordered. So what I will do, I select phones, go to visualizations, and in field, if you are observing this field, select this first subcategory, select this down arrow and rename for this visual. That is, I want to rename it most sales. Okay, most sales. That is, here you will see it is most sales, that is phone. Now select second, copiers, again rename it most profitable, most profitable. Okay, select again vendors, select, it is based on what, it is based on quantity, that is most ordered, most ordered. Okay, in this way, now just select fonts again so that we can properly align it. Go to format your visuals, again go to generals, again go to what, effect, again go to your shadow, make it on. Okay, go to visual border, that is which is off, make it on. Now select it, color, let it be black or whatever it may be, another color, that is phone. In this way it doesn't matter, take it as a black only. Now rounded corners, so we are taking it as a 30. Now select, finish. So these are the fonts I am making in this way. See, I am adjusting it as a fonts. Okay, so what I will do, this is copy, this is binders. Now just like in MS Office, select on the fonts, select on the fonts, go to format painters and apply to copy. Okay, it will look like this. Now next one is 1 minute, just do some minor adjustment. Okay, again select fonts, go to format painters and select binders. Okay, adjust it in this way. Okay, now our main task is over. Now go to stack column charts, select it, and we want to find out the category wise filtrations. 1 minute, select, 1 minute, 1 minute, go to category to the x-axis and select, 1 minute, one sales, sales to the y-axis. Okay, sales to the y-axis. Now I am taking it as a bigger. Now first of all, these are the technology, furnitures, and third one is the office supplies. These are the three subcategory, and suppose I select technology as a first category. Okay, and in that category I want, there is category, and in that category there are different subcategories. Okay, now I am selecting technology, and you will observe that in technologies category there are most sale of which subcategory, phones, which is most profitable, copiers, and which is most ordered subcategory, that is phones. Okay, now I am moving to furniture category. So furniture, which is most, which subcategory is showing most sales, chairs. Okay, which is most profitable, bookcases, and which is most ordered subcategory, that is chairs. Okay, similarly this is office supplies, go to office supplies, which is most sale, storage, most profitable, appliances, and which is most ordered subcategory in the office supplies section, or that is office supplies category, that is vendors. and this is nothing but the card paints that we have applied the filters on the same visual. In next sessions we will see more interesting video on the Power BI. Thank you.